Yeah.
I hit Brenda in the back of the head in the shin and I peed all over her hands. Rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poking my head. Not fun. I said seagulls. Stop it now. Stop it now. Everyone told me not to stroll on that beach. Smoking a coconut. And they did. And they did. Had me going like, nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. And when I tried to run, I fell. And then these kids start laughing. And then I got hit in the head with a hat sack.